Hi everyone, it's me, Boxy, and me, Foxy, and welcome back to Adventures with Foxy and Boxy. No, Boxy and Foxy. Oh. So we're bored, and we are at our beach house that we're renting from an Airbnb, and it's so freaking pretty. What is that? Mom, what is that?
That's the timer.
Why don't I just call Miss MacArthur Mom? I don't know. Because she started with her mom. Yeah. But, so we're at our beach house, so we're going to do a house tour. And Rocky's here too, but, like, I don't know where he is. So first, oh my gosh, be quiet. Okay. So first, this is the bed. Adam and Justin are in another place. They let us have our own house, so they're like above us, so we get to see them whenever the heck we want. And we're gonna make a campfire. And so this is me, this is mine and Foxy's bed, and this is my side, and this is my side, and Rocky is with Adam and Justin. So that's the bed, and then we have nightstands too. So, and then we'll show you the closet. So this is the closet. It's really cool, and all our friends are here. This is Brownie Jr. This is Sweater Bus. This is Mrs. Bunny. This is Miss Bunny. This is Tootie. This is Minnie Mouse, aka Angelica. This is Mr. Bunny, and this is Jesus. So those are all our friends that we brought. But there's our closet that we don't literally use, and we have a flat screen TV, which is awesome and soft. Right here, and right here, if you can see, there's seashells. Which is really cool, and then we have the closet, and then so it's just a studio. It's really small. So this is the living room. Ow, my back! Foxy, what the freak of heck are you doing? Yeet! Oh, that hurt my back too. So this is the living room. So yeah, it's really comfortable, and then. So it's an Airbnb, so it's not our house, someone else owns it. But this is like all the books. And there is something that is very funny, and it's a Peppa Pig book. I hope we don't get infected because like she's a pig and we have the piggy game. 5-minute Peppa stories. I need to look at this. Me, shouts Pedro Pony. Me, cries Rebecca Rabbit. What is this? Let's read this. Pedro Pony and Rebecca Rabbit decide to be the goalkeepers. What is this? Okay, let's not look at that. That's kind of inappropriate. Okay, and next is the kitchen. What the freak? So the kitchen
Off the bed.
is...
Off the bed.
So we're with Miss MacArthur, and it's not Arthur. And so this, we're gonna go to the kitchen. Ginormous. So this is the kitchen. So that's the oven and like basic stuff. And me and Foxy have this tray that we're going to eat because we're going to make a campfire and eat outside to watch the sunset. So, and we got Starbucks and we got the Dragon Mango Fruit Refresher because it's amazing. And also we got chocolate milk. Well, because it's amazing. So, Foxy, get over here. What? Yeah, so there's just simple, basic stuff. And we're having mac and cheese, so we're going to eat it. Okay, so last is the bathroom. So here it is. It has a little gate that says leave for some reason, but here it is. It's freaking tiny. So if you go inside, there's a shower and a toilet that has Foxy's poop in it. And stuff it. So yeah, that's the house. And so now we're just freaking waiting. Oh, and there's Poco, who is precious. Good job, buddy. I'm gonna open the window for him. Open up. You see that? Okay. So, Mrs. MacArthur takes forever to make the freaking food because it is amazing. And this kitchen we have is nice, but it's not as good as my holy kitchen. Oh, brother. So, what is Poco doing? He's just standing here all dramatic. Poco, what are you doing? But that's the living room. Mom, look at Mrs. MacArthur. Look at Poco. Look at him. He was, a minute ago, he was sitting like on
Get down, Poco. Get down.
He's allowed to be on there.
No, I said no.
Yeah.
Nope, not on the furniture. Thank you. Okay, sit outside and I'll bring it to you.
Give me that fish. What?
Poco,
Okay.
Poco,
So, Boxy. Okay, so we got our food. So we're gonna eat. So we're gonna finish our mukbang. I'm gonna put this here now. So let's continue. Foxy, yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. Bye. Now I can eat this whole entire thing. Okay, Foxy, I'm gonna have some mac and cheese now. He's gonna come and kill me. Okay, where should go? Whatever, it's all mine. What? Where did she put it? Foxy, Lanky, get the freak of poop butt's head over here. No. Whatever, I'm gonna drink all the chocolate milk then. No. What do you want? You ate the mac and cheese! No, I didn't. Now we've been almost finished eating, and now we're watching the sunset because it's freaking beautiful. So this is the campfire. Obviously it's not lit, so we're just gonna like chill and not like light anything. Just brought it down a bit more. So this is the fire pit. It's really cool. There's some wood here. But, and there's also some shells here. And there's some starfish like here. I don't know if it's alive, because if it is, it would be white. And it's white. So there it is. There's 4 of them, but this is the only one that was at Coffee. So I'll have a little crack on him, which sucks. Oh, it is so cold. We could go to the beach. No, it's 2 degrees outside, bro. So we're just like chilling, and I'm gonna call Rocky and ask if he can come down here. So Rocky said he's coming, and I don't know what Boxy is doing. I think he passed out. But Rocky said he's coming, so I don't know what the freak he is. Hello! Ow! What the heck? He just came out of nowhere. Hi, guys. Rocky. Oh! Okay, what the freak happened to Boxy? I don't know. One time, Boxy passed out, and the CPR guy did this, and it worked. Boxy, get the frick! Did you pass out? Yeah. What is happening? It's kind of go inside because it's freezing. Oh no. And tomorrow we are gonna go to the beach, and you guys are gonna come with us. We're gonna film on our phone. And Rocky's coming too. Hi guys. So make sure to stay for that tomorrow. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to like the video and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.